Everybody, today we're going to read The Nasties in Your Head, written by Jessica Johns and illustrated by I. Zao. Before you go to bed, if there are any nasties in your head, tell them to shoo, go away. They are not allowed to stay in your head, going bad, going crazy, going mad. For it's good for your brain if these nasties don't remain in your head, making trouble, popping good thoughts like a bubble. Look at these bubbles. So we have anger, calm, joy, lonely, greed, excited, confident. The nasty pop the confidence bubble. Love and fear. Oh no! Pop! They go out of your mind. So only bad thoughts are left behind. For that is what these nasties do. They take good thoughts away from you. Oh no! They are ugly things and rather tricky. They make your face go red and your stomach sicky. This is because they are not nice, running around your mind like little mice. Oh no, this is not good. Yes, nasties are like mice, but not as cute. They are nasty, ugly, and rather brute. This is 'cause they take over your mind with thoughts that can be rather unkind. Nasty thoughts that make you feel bad. Some may even make you feel mad. Feelings like anger, jealousy, and fear. Feelings that can even be unclear. Oh, those nasties. And if nasties stay and live in your brain, these bad feelings you feel will stay the same. But you can tell them to go. Make them shoo. I'm going to show you what to do. The first thing that must take place is to meet that nasty face to face. Because step one is to find that thought. Because thoughts are nasty, need to be caught. And now that you have that thought in your grasp, listen up for your next task. For now, you're up to step number 2, the last step that you must do. With your voice, tell someone about that nasty you found in step 1. And do this quickly, or you will find these nasties have made a home in your mind. So as soon as you get that twist in your tongue, tell someone why you feel glum. To someone who is older and wiser than you, you'll know by their wrinkles, many or few. They may be your teacher, your mom, or your dad. They may even be the one who made you feel bad. So hold your head high and stroll to their side. Tell them you have nothing to hide. But this is how you feel, and this is why. And I have to tell you, so the nasties fly. Fly away in their planes right out of my mind. Yes, they do have planes, and the pilot is I. Bye-bye, bad thoughts. P.S. You are much bigger than a nasty. So much bigger you can squish them with 2 fingers. Thank you all for reading that with us. Remember, communication is very, very key. Mental health is a serious thing we all need to be more cognizant of. And remember, communication and telling your feelings is a good thing. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, be kind to animals, and always keep reading. Bye, everybody.